my dear children. Welcome to today's IT class. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter, Chapter 3, Tables in Word 2016. Have you all heard about timetable? Of course, all of you will have heard about a timetable. If we want to create a timetable, it will be very difficult to align the text in a correct order. To avoid this difficulty, we can use Word 2016 document. Using this Word document, we can insert tables in the document. Tables contains information in the form of rows and columns so that we can easily read and understand the data and information in a table. Before going to the topic, we have to know about what are tables and its associated terms. A table is an arrangement of data in the form of rows and columns. What is a row? It is the horizontal section in a table, whereas column is the vertical section in a table. The first row in a table is known as a table header, and each individual squares in a table is known as a cell. This is the table format. Here you can see some vertical lines and some horizontal lines. Here the vertical lines in a table is known as a column. This is the column. First column, second column, third column, like this. The horizontal section of a table is known as a row. This is a row. First row, second row, third row and fourth row, like that. The first row in a table is known as a table header. And the individual squares in a table is known as cells. This is the format of a table. The next topic is inserting a table into a Word document. There are three methods. First one, using graphic grid method. Second one, using insert table option. Third one, using cube table option. These are the three methods to insert a table into a Word document. First one, using a graphic grid method. Second, using insert table option. Third one, using a cube table option. First method is using a graphic grid. There are three steps. Step 1, click Insert tab. Step 2, click Table drop down arrow. Step 3, click on the top left corner of the grid and then drag the mouse. Then highlight the number of rows and columns that you want in a table. Then you can get a table on the document. Second is using Insert Table option. Step 1, click on the Insert tab. Step 2, on the Table drop down arrow. Step 3, click Insert option. Then you can see a dialog box. In that you have to enter the number of rows and columns that you want. Then step 4, click OK button. Then you will get a new table. The last method is using a cube table option. Step 1, click on the Insert tab. Step 2, click on the Table drop down arrow. Step 3, click on Cube table option. Step 4, select the table template as you require. Then you will get a new table on the Word document.
Table. A table is an arrangement of data in columns and rows forming a cell where they join together. Columns are the vertical sections of the table, whereas rows are the horizontal sections of the table. The top row in the table is usually used as the table header. Cells are the individual squares in which you place text, images or graphics. Inserting a table. In Word 2016, you can insert a table by following the given steps. Step 1. Open Word 2016. Step 2. Open the document in which you want to add a table or create a new document. Step 3. Place the cursor where you want to insert the table. There are many ways to insert a table in Word. Using graphic grid. To create a table using graphic grid, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Insert tab. Step 2. Click on Table drop-down arrow in Tables group. A table drop-down menu appears. Step 3. Click on the top left corner of the grid and drag the mouse to highlight the number of columns and rows you want in the table. When you release the mouse button, the table appears in the document and two new tabs appear on the ribbon. They are Design and Layout. The Design tab is used to style the table by adding shading to some rows and columns. Select a border style, size and color and many other options that control the look of the table. On the Layout tab, you can change the height and width of cells, rows or columns, insert or delete additional rows and columns and merge cells. Using Insert Table option. This option lets you insert a table by selecting numbers of rows and columns. To insert the table, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Insert tab. Step 2. Click on Table drop-down arrow in Tables group. Step 3. Click on Insert Table option. The Insert Table dialog box appears. Step 4. Enter the number of columns and rows you want in the table. Step 5. Click OK button. The table appears in the document. Using Quick Table option. This option lets you insert built-in table templates in the document. Templates are pre-formatted design files in a software or program. These tables are the type of tables which are commonly used for calendar, list of things, etc. To insert a quick table, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Insert tab. Step 2. Click on Table drop-down arrow in Tables group. Step 3. Select Quick Tables from drop-down menu. Step 4. Select the table template according to your choice. The table appears in your document.
Let's rewind the topic that we have discussed today. We discussed about tables and its associated terms like rows, columns, table headers and cells. Next we discussed how to insert a table into a Word document. There are three methods to insert a table into a Word document. The first one is using graphic grid method. Second one using Insert Table option. Third one using Cube Table option. So children, all of you read the textbook and study well. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.